How to see your coordinates in Minecraft Mobile. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Minecraft application. Now enter your game. Wait for some time until the game loads. Now tap on the chat icon. Tap on the chat bar. Now type slash game rule space show coordinates and space and then true. Now tap on enter. So here you can see your own coordinates. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.